Good evening, traders. Welcome back to Profit Technicals. I've been sorry that I have not been regularly updating you because the reason of my not updating is something really very much personal, that I've been busy with other things, and moreover that market is not doing anything, was not doing anything much in last week, means last to last week, as I was again and again saying, if you are really following me from the start of my posting of these videos, that I've been always been saying not to go longs. I'm even putting the link of my playlist of my Nifty and Banknifty. If you want to really go and confirm that I've been really saying this or no, you can go and have a check. So without wasting any time, let's start with the analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today we are not going to do much, but yes, little we are just going to do it with all the insights. As been from the start from my video, I've been always been doing this. We always first do the analysis of the grandfather, the father, and then the son, and then we work accordingly, as if actually I do like that. So let's start. So before only I said before also that Nifty was in a channel, in a range. This range has been broken, as like I was predicting, my analysis was saying that market is in a downtrend. There are no longs. Every upside is a short opportunity. That's what I've used it. Means I've done all the sellings at the highs. So I hope that you people might have been doing the same. Let's go to the weekly chart. All right. Here we saw the accumulation. We were seeing this accumulation from this point of view. As here are only wicks, so I am just touching the body. So on the weekly chart, you can see these things happening. Means there are some breakouts over here on this side. If you want, you can just put it like this, and this was the final down bottom where I was really placing. So I am not shifting it because you can see a real breakthrough, a real breakdown, as you can see over here. And when I started my like videos, to put on videos about the analysis, I used to always draw this channel. Oh my god, where is this going? Yeah, sorry, not here, but I was sorry. Somewhere like this. And repeatedly I was being telling you people that this will break. Market is in a downtrend and this will break. 1, 2, 3 tops on the median line, which you call as the, like, a median line means a middle of the range of the top and the bottom, exactly reversing from here and Nifty broke its low. Let's go to the daily chart and see. So being intraday traders and being short-term traders, let's analyze that what can we really do now looking at the daily chart. So I'm removing this channel, and so what I would do is I would put, alright, I will put 15719 as my point of equilibrium. Equilibrium means what? Let me tell you. This is how I trade. This is what I understand from market, and this is what I really do. Now, as we have this green doji, if on Monday, anytime we see any good candle, any good candle crossing the high of this doji, we can go on the upside, but with limited quantity, with a very limited quantity up to this point, 15,719. And if we get a good retracement over here in an intraday, with keeping a stop loss of somewhere around this, say about this high, say about 15,782, about nearly about what, 50-60 points in Nifty, keeping a stop loss of this, we can again short further bottom till here. And if this breaks, the bottom breaks, we can continue going down further. Why I'm saying this is that it may go up, because on the weekly, after breaking this consolidation, it has again come on support. And if it is, this thing is going down further, I can see only this thing coming first is somewhere up to here, which is 14,937. Here it is, the low is already 15,001, means only 200 points more. And then again and again I'm saying it, be really careful over this part. Up to here means the low is 14,432, and already the low we are seeing is 1000 points down, say nearly about 800 points down. But as we are intraday traders, we don't carry our positions, heavy positions. So I would like to say that, okay, let's be till here, 14,147 up to here. Be really very much specific, be on the right side, and don't mess around in this area, because I see all these jumbles over here happening, like nothing is clear. So this may repeat on this side. That's why I say, and if this thing breaks, then again we have the low will be 13,569, then 13,092 and 12,449, which is a pre-COVID level, which I'm really looking for that it should touch once to pre-COVID level. Why I'm saying this? You see any index, you can go and see Nasdaq, Dow Jones, Banknifty, Hang Seng. People, the other index has already touched its pre-COVID levels, or it is trading below it. Then why is Nifty not going over there? I don't find this thing to be healthy. For real uptrend, it has to take a good support over here. And here is also even a gap. You can see the gap is from 12,247 to 12,373. So we see a gap over here. This has to be filled. I'm not saying that this will fill tomorrow, or this will really fill, but I'm just telling you that for me, uptrend or real uptrend will not come. This is what my thinking is. Now tomorrow whatever happens in market, you don't have to blame me, you have to play your own game. But I would like to see Nifty once over here for a real good uptrend, touching to real highs. For me, if you will say that from here only, if it starts moving out, then what will be the uptrend? If anything, I see like a Dow Jones, like a Dow theory forming over here. For example, this is a monthly chart, a weekly chart. If I see that anything goes like this, then coming down, then touching here, then going up, then coming down, and then again started coming here, then going up, then going anywhere over here, if I find, then I may increase my calls to go up with breaking all these levels, that this thinking that this assuming, I should say, not thinking, assuming that this all levels will be broken for a good uptrend. But for now, next week, I'm just telling you that what a person should really be what a trader should really be doing in Nifty, and this is what I'm trying to show. And for now, I will remove this. Let me go and see once in the day with analysis of, yeah, same thing is happening. Here is a good consolidation area where it is making a doji, a good consolidation area in this area, which we got on the monthly, on the weekly chart. So really be careful and do your trades properly. Be on the right side of the market, not on the wrong side to lose money. You know what? If you be on the real side of the market, which I say that it is a downtrend now, and as I've been saying from last 2 months, you have won your battle. 80% you have won your battle, and 20% will be only and only your position sizing, your position handling, and your state of mind, your psychological mind will make you win. This is what I would say. So always be on the right trend, because trend is a friend. And now let's see that what is Bank Nifty going to do. Nifty Bank. Same thing, we will first go to the monthly chart. Hmm. As I've always been saying, this is in a range. A smaller range has become now this of Bank Nifty. See, now this is one part of the range and this is the another part of the range, the lower and the upper. And surprisingly, what we are seeing is Bank Nifty is also falling. It is also in a downtrend, but it has not broken its low. But Nifty has. As Nifty, we know that Nifty is a mixture of IT, banking, metals, power, energy, then of, it is a mixed bag. But banking is only banks, and that this is also mainly like mixture of private and government banks. So let's do this. Hmm. Here though we are getting a proper channel. Here it is also turning from the equilibrium, from the main point, and if this thing breaks, we have a clear bottom till 30,356, as we see over here. Yes, here was a before also a double bottom, or sort of a double bottom, and if this thing the low of this thing breaks, means low of yesterday's low is broken, which we'll see on the daily chart is broken, then we can see further down below, which will be nearly about 30,356, and we have already come. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, this is a pre-COVID level, and we have again touched this pre-COVID level over here. See, we have broken once, and once it has broken, it is once like it was coming down over here, it is taking support over here. I see that this can come down. It is still in a downtrend, it is not in an uptrend, in an downtrend, which I think that this will break and this will go. And if this thing is going on the upside, let me see on the daily chart. If on Monday, all right, this is not a perfect M, but it is a sort of a M. If you start this equilibrium from this middle point and come down, this is not a perfect M, but sort of an M, what you can see. Here we are having a good gap. Here we are having its the daily chart shows a bottom over here. You can even draw a channel from this covering all these things. Wait a minute, let me like this. So Bank Nifty has already made its a green candle on the daily at its and this you can consider as a triple bottom, sort of a triple bottom, sort of a triple bottom, and it has already made a green candle yesterday, means on Friday. But I would say that if this is really going to come up, means if like banking stocks are good, and if there is any good news in the market which I don't know, and this thing is really coming up, what can we do? If this thing comes up, then this will be the point, and this will be the no trade zone, say from 33,054 till 33,214, means of 200 points. And then if we see a good breakout and then coming back and taking a support somewhere over here, means this candle low, this green candle low, or from this top, we can say that this may go till the high over here up to 33,743. And here also if we have a good breakout and then again comes, touches this and goes back, then from this area, means from here to here, we can say that we are having an upside filling this gap, which is a very big gap. From 33,720 to up is 34 4, means around 700 points, 700 to 800 points gap. Yeah, 681 points gap. So this may be filled, but my real longs will start only above this. That also, if it breaks over here and takes a support somewhere on this line, means 34,446, 34,446. If I see a good bounce over here, then I would say that this is going to this high. If this breaks, then we can see that all the highs are taken out. Then we can say that yes, it is going to its all-time high, which was somewhere around last year in October 25th, which is somewhere around 41,245. But this all is possible with the help of Nifty. Let me tell you that Nifty and Bank Nifty cannot go on the opposite direction. They have to sync, they have to come along, and they have to be on the same path. And if on the downside, then let me warn you something. As we saw a gap on a weekly gap, which was on the pre-COVID level of Nifty, we see a gap over here also. Let me remove this here. What is this gap? 26,790 is the bottom. Somewhere around 300 and something, because this is only 2764, and this high is somewhere around 300 points gap. So both are having gaps, and Nifty has to touch, means according to me, It has to touch its pre-COVID levels once, which Nifty has not done till now. So this is the case. I'm still on the downside. I'm having my downward view, not an upward view. Um, I'm not going to go, like, I'm not going to change my direction so easily till the time I don't see anything really good. Good means a price action doesn't shows me a good reversal or something like that, because monthly is, it is just half of the month, and it is still red. This may break down, this may go up, touch back to 33,000, come back down from 33,200 also it can come down. And you know something, when it comes down, it comes down with a bang, but when it goes up, it can go up like a crocodile, like a tortoise. That's it. And wait a minute, yes, of course, Nifty will be also is having a red candle only on the week. Yes, this month already has broken its all the levels. Weekly it is red, same as Bank Nifty. So be careful by for going longs. If you don't understand, I would say don't trade, but don't lose money. Losing a trade is better than losing money. This is what Guru Mantra I would give you. So if you have liked my analysis, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. If anything important is happening in the mid of the week, I'll be back and I will post my video. Thank you.